Hey guys, welcome back. This is Python part 5, and if you haven't seen Python part 4, then go ahead and see that before you see this video, because in this video some of the stuff you might not understand because of you didn't see Python part 4. So I would suggest going to go and see Python part 4. I'll be leaving a link in the description of all the parts for the Pythons that I've done so far. So in this video we're going to be learning about embedding values in strings. So let's get started. If you want to display a message using the contents of a variable, you can embed values in a string using %s, which is like a marker for a value that you want to add later. Embedding values is programmers speak for inserting values. For example, to have Python calculate or store the number of points you scored in a game and then add it to a sentence like I scored points. Use %s in the sentence in place of value, and then tell Python like that value. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys an example. So my SCORE score equals 1000, and we hit enter, and then we say message message equals I scored %sign and s, I scored points, POINTS, and then we hit enter, and then we say print open parentheses message message my SCORE score, and then we hit enter, and it's printed what we told it to print in message my score. So I score 1000 points, and then here we create the variable my score with the value 1000, and the variable message with a string that contains the word I scored %s points, where %s is a placeholder for the number of points. On the next line we call print message with the % symbol to tell Python to replace %s with the value stored in the variable my scored. The next result of Python the result of printing the message is I scored 1000 points. We don't need to use a variable for the value. We could do the same example and just print message %1000. We can also pass in different values for the %s placeholder using different variables. Alright, I'm going to show you guys an example. So joke underscore text equals, and then we say %s and device for finding if you are in the dark. Alright, device for finding okay, next line. So we press enter, and then we say body part 1 equals KNEE, and then we hit enter, and then we say body part 2 equals shin SHIN shin, and we hit enter, and then we say print open parentheses, and then joke underscore text percentage body part part 1, and then we enter. Oh, my bad guys, I accidentally added one more, my bad. And then we hit enter and we get neat a device for finding funerals. Okay, and then we say print joke 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 underscore text percentage body part 2, and then we hit enter and then we say shin. So this is here we created the 3 variables. The first joke text includes the string with the percentage s marker. The other variable and are body part 1 and body part 2. We can print the variable joke text and once again use the percentage operator to replace it with the context of the variables body part 1 and body part 2 to produce different messages. You can also use more than one placeholder in a string like this. So I'm going to give you guys another example. NUMS equals what did the number percentage s say to the percentage s, and then we say question mark and then we say nice belt. So that's pretty good joke, honestly. And then we put 2 exclamation marks and then we hit enter and then we say print nums percentage in parentheses 0 a close parentheses and we hit enter. So we say what did the number 0 say to the number a, nice bell. So we use more than one placeholder. Be sure to write the replacement values in parentheses as shown in the example. Alright, and the order of values is the order in which they will be used in this string. So that's it guys. So I hope you guys learned something new, and our lesson for today was embedding values in strings. So I hope this video helped you learn about embedding values in strings. So that's it guys. If you want more videos from me, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share, if someone needs help in embedding values in strings, and you can share this video with them and comment how I'm doing on these Python videos. So that's all from me. Have a great day. Bye bye.